and welcome back to my channel, Little Pearls of Randomness. My name is Lauren and today we are making these meringues. Okay, so these meringues are chocolate and salted caramel meringues and they're super delicious. They're super yummy. They're very easy to make, and I tend to make them when I go to people's barbecues or if I'm trying to impress people. They are great with strawberries and whipped cream, or just by themselves. They're quite marshmallowy on the inside, so they're a little bit undercooked, but they're like crispy on the outside and still delicious on the middle. So if you want to know how to make these cute, yummy meringues, then please keep watching.
First we need to take care of the chocolate. So I've got some dark chocolate here and I'm going to use about half a block. The reason why we're doing this first is to allow time for the chocolate to cool properly. And into the saucepan it goes to melt. On a medium to low heat, melt the chocolate, but make sure that you're using the proper utensils, aka no metal. Once you've got the chocolate melted to perfection, put aside and allow it to cool while you do the other bits and pieces. Taking care of the admin first, we're going to take the baking tray and line it with some baking paper. In a nice big bowl, take 4 eggs at room temperature and separate, keeping the whites only. Whisk the eggs until they're stiff and peaks form. Next, measure out a cup of sugar, but don't pour it in straight away. We're going to put it in 2 tablespoons at a time, making sure it's whisked thoroughly each and every time. By the end of the last 2 tablespoons, it should start looking like this. And whisk for another 5 minutes on top of that. Now you're going to put in half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. After you've done that, you need to whisk it again for another minute. Scoop the meringue out into rounded teaspoonfuls onto your prepared baking sheet. On top of it, drizzle over a little bit of melted dark chocolate. On top or next to the chocolate, add in a squeeze of caramel topping. Using a clean toothpick, swirl them around and combine the 2 toppings together, but leaving a little bit of white for that swirled pattern. On top of each meringue, take some sea flakes and sprinkle on top. In an oven of about 130 degrees Celsius, put your meringues in and bake for about 40 minutes. They should be nice and crispy on the outside and nice and marshmallowy on the inside. Once they're ready, peel them off and let them cool. The chocolate will still be quite melty. When they're ready to go, display them however you like. I like mine personally with a bit of cream and some strawberries. Yum yum.
Okay, well I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed, well, going to enjoy eating these meringues anyway. As you could see in that recipe, they're super easy to make, and yeah, they just look so beautiful. I think they just like little artworks in themselves anyway. If you haven't already, please subscribe or like this video if you really enjoyed it. If you are going to subscribe, click that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video, which is Wednesday by the way. And yeah, hope to see you guys back here next week on Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!